All right, welcome back. Let's build some new words with new sounds. Now for this lesson, you're going to need this blend. I call it a blend because I have two letters and they are going to be making one sound. Okay? So this is going to be sound, get that out. You'll also need the capital version of this, the capitalized version, same thing. Okay? Then you'll need capital letter R, okay? You're going to need the vowel sound with the letter I, and I'm going to use this letter F also, and finally O, letter L, and then A. We'll keep our vowel sound A, okay? So once you've assembled these sounds, pause the video, get back to me. Once you've assembled these sounds, we can get started. All right, you're back. So let's take a look at this very wonderful sound. Now, this sound, I want you to see, is the same as this sound. I say the letter F, but remember that in our alphabet system, in our alphabetic writing system, sometimes we'll take two letters and make one sound. So now we have this sound is the same as this sound. Okay, so let's remove this now. We don't need it any longer. What I'd like to do now is take away this sound and replace it with so do that with me, the capital version of this. Okay, because we're going to make the name Phil. Now, what sounds do you think we will need to create the word Phil? We have ill, Yes, you're correct. I'm going to need the vowel sound So Yes, I'm going to need my consonant sound The word is Phil. His name is what? Phil. Phil. That's my friend's name, Phil. Now, I also have a friend, and his name is Ralph. So let me get rid of these, and I'm going to start off with, you're correct, Ralph. What letter sounds will I need to create the name Ralph? Ralph. Yes, you're correct. I'm going to need my ah. So do that with me. Put that there. Yes, I'm going to need the letter L, which stands for O. Ralph. Yes. What will I need now? No, not my F. I'm going to need my F sound, which is represented by. Let me move this across the board so you can see. And what do I have now? I have, move it over some more. Yes, can you see it now? All the way over. Yes, Ralph. One word, Ralph. That's the sound of the word Ralph. My friend's name is Ralph. So you see how we've done that? We've used this. The PH here stands for what? And it helps me to make new words. Well done.